Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Hey y'all, this is Avis. I'm back with another video. Y'all don't worry about my hair. Y'all already know. Nah, right now I'm about to wash the girls' hair. They're on their way to their grandma's house. My oldest daughter is gonna do their hair up there. So yeah. Trice's birthday coming up. Her birthday is Tuesday, January the 16th. We is gonna do an Amazon wish list, so y'all look in the description for that. Okay? Look at her hair, y'all. Look at her hair, y'all. Hey, it done grew. It's growing, y'all. It's growing. Yeah, y'all, when it comes to my oldest daughter, I was the one who taught her how to do hair as far as what I know how to do. And she took it, the lessons what I taught her, and she tripled it, y'all. She do hair very good. So, just, giving my kids another way to make some income. Because, you can do hair at home, honey. Okay? Until you work yourself up to get a shop. So, yeah. So, that's what we're doing now. I'm going to wash her hair. I use Can 2 sulfate-free cleansing shampoo for curls, coils, and wave. And I use Can 2 leave-in conditioner. Y'all don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you watch my videos. Right now, I'm giving a beautician. I know you got that beautician. Where she do everybody's hair, but her hair is not done, never done. That's what it's giving right now. To work on my baby's hair. Okay, so this. Sorry, I'm so sorry. And after I get through washing their hair, I clean the sink. I also gotta wash Taisha hair too.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me.
Okay, y'all, so next we have Taisha up. And I'm gonna shampoo her hair twice. Y'all see that white stuff coming out? There's gel and a whole bunch of jam. So I'm gonna shampoo hers twice, y'all.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
This guy's the one.
Another time.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. Make me wanna
Me
do
recording. Is that okay with you?
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Let me rub it in.
Like I'm better off.
Yeah, put it down.
Like I'm better off with
That's too hot?
Yeah.
Boy. Hey, Ameer. That's too hot?
Oh, that's cold.
That's too hot? Put your head down. Put it down.
That's okay.
Put it down. All the way down. The more you put your head down, the more it won't get in your face. Come closer to the sink. You're getting it on. Get my sink wet. You okay? It's almost over. It's almost over. Oh, you laughing. You good. You doing good, son. want to clean up in here too. Yeah, hang up these hangers in these shoe boxes. Okay, y'all. So I'm done. Washing the hair. I am now about to cook dinner. We're just no. You can put some shorts. We're just gonna have the teriyaki chicken and some rice. So yeah, I got all that stuff packed in here. What I got from Sam's. Thank you, Lord. So let me go ahead and get this out. That's the French toast sticks. That's the way you pack it, guys. You gotta take it out the what is this? I'm gonna leave that for now. But that's the way you pack your refrigerator, guys. You gotta take it out the box. So these are the teriyaki chickens that we will be cooking. We tried these things one time when we was at the old hotel, and these was delicious. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer and I'm gonna let them cook. Then I'm gonna put my rice on. Okay, y'all. So first things first. Let's go ahead and plug up this air fryer. Okay, I got the bag open. Y'all, this is a dish thing that I got from Dollar Tree. We had to put it together. So it's a bottom piece and then a little rack thing. Got both of these for Dollar Tree, y'all. $1.25 a piece. Thank God for that. I didn't have none of that. Didn't even have room for it in the old hotel. Okay, so I'm now about to add my teriyaki chicken to the air fryer. Now, I usually put aluminum foil down, but I don't have no aluminum foil right now. So, I just got through washing out the air fryer, so it's good. And I just have to wash it right back out. Place these in here. Couple of pieces at a time. Let that cook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These some big old pieces of teriyaki chicken. Okay, so I put enough in there for the kids first. Wait, hold on. Why it's not coming on? Y'all look at all this water.
You stop.
Water, water, water. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Okay, there we go. I gotta slam it, y'all. We're gonna do 400. I'm gonna push the chicken icon. Oh no, but I want 400 though. So let's just do it like that. I'm not gonna let it cook the whole 40 minutes. I'm gonna check it as it go. Now I'm about to put on my rice. Okay, y'all. So make sure this cord is pushed back. Okay, y'all. So as far as me, today we're gonna be using yellow rice. Got a restock from Sam's, and we're gonna have peas with mixed vegetables. We're gonna have the cans. I usually do fresh vegetables, guys, but right now I haven't went to the store to get fresh vegetables. I know everybody cook their rice different. And I know I got some cooks on the channel, honey, who'll be throwing down in the kitchen, cooking their soul food. But this is how I cook my rice, and it come out just fine. I don't boil the water and all that stuff first. I just let it cook and leave it alone. And if it's white rice, well, I add butter to yellow rice too. It just depends if I got butter or not. And I do have some butter, so I'm gonna add a little bit. Add a little bit. I don't measure. I just cook how I know. There should be enough rice. Fill up the pot. Well, I'm about to fill this up with some water. Got a little bit of dishes to wash. Quick and simple meal. Done. About an hour tops. I'm gonna put it on this front aisle. But that front aisle seems to get a little hotter. Turn it up. I'm gonna add some butter in there. Okay, y'all. So here go the teriyaki chicken. I'm gonna add the rest of these to the plate. And I'm gonna cook a little more for me and Antonio. But the chicken is done for the kids. Still waiting on the rice. So quick and simple. Okay, so let me get some more added in there. Okay, y'all, here go my rice. Here go the chicken. That's the kids' pieces. And me and Antonio chicken still in the air fryer. And here go the vegetable, guys. I warmed them up in the microwave. Put a little bit of butter, seasoning salt on there, garlic powder, onion powder. And we're good to go. Okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and fix these plates. And yeah. Okay, y'all, first plate fixed. Don't that look good? Come on, y'all. Come on.
This is a daughter and father battle. Mama in it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I got my, okay.
Mother too.
This is Daddy Antonio. Give him a hand. Give him a hand. Daughter.
Grandma, why do you got the camera on
La Maya. What's your middle name?
That's my oldest, y'all.
Nicola.
Nicola.
Same middle name as
Move
mine.
your hand. Oh, this is Miss E. McInnes.
Yeah.
Now,
Oh, Lord.
Mama. The star of the show.
We got the peanuts. The death nut, y'all.
This is a match to the tears. That's AJ that need to move out the seat. So mama can sit there.
Get up. I don't think she want to sit down.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta be running.
Ladies,
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Okay y'all, this is the very next day. Ain't nobody here but me and the boys. The girl, like I said, Trice is gonna get her hair done for her birthday. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. I'm just cooking some sausages for me and the boys. I'm gonna split them up, make it to two, because as y'all see, they're pretty big. And we got some chips. Get a bag of chips.
Mama, can I see the sausages?
Yeah, you can see them. I'm gonna get a bag. We're gonna each get a bag of chips and call it a night until my girls get here, y'all. Y'all done mopped and everything. I had to clean up. See, I done mopped and everything, guys. Got it kind of organized. So took a shower. Yes, sir. But yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. I know y'all probably hear Strick in the background. Let me turn this down. Hold on. Let me end the video.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Follow and share. And hit that bell.
Yes.
Bell.
Yes.
Comment down below in the channel.
Yeah.
And subscribe. And I hope y'all don't get no haters.
What?
Because haters is bad. And people that's good is good. The people that make good comments are good.
Okay.
But haters is bad.
Okay.
I'll beat
Y'all don't
you.
know nothing about no haters. But anyways, guys, I want to thank y'all. I love y'all. Thank you. And yes, if you watch my videos, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss not one single video. You never know what I'm coming with. Also, don't forget to press that like button, guys. Y'all are doing so good with showing support. I really appreciate it, guys. Until next video, until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.